Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. Imagine you got one big chocolate. Will you share that with anybody? Yes. When you share that chocolate with one more person equally, each of you will get half of it. When you have half a chocolate, would you share that with someone else? Or is it not possible? Yes, you can share it, right? Then you will get quarter of that chocolate. Sharing is caring. Sharing is division. So let's discuss about division today. I'm going to show you a very simple activity to learn how to divide fractions. By this activity, you will be able to divide proper fractions by a whole number. Let's get to the activity. For this activity, you will need a paper and a pen. Here we are going to divide 1 by 4 by 2. For that, fold this paper into 4 equal parts. So make it into 2 parts and then into 4 parts. Like this, you get 4 parts. Now I'll draw lines and show you. 1, 2, 3. Here we get 4 equal parts. Our fraction is 1 by 4 here. So we need to shade one part out of this 4 parts. Now I have shaded 1 by 4. Now we have to divide it into 2. How can we divide? Fold it into 2 parts. Imagine that you had quarter of a chocolate and you are dividing it into 2. So how much will you get? You will get this part and I am shading it once again. So your answer is 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll draw this line also. Yes. So 1 by 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now let's try to divide the fraction 2 by 3 by 2. For that, I have folded this paper and made it into 3 equal parts. As the given fraction is 2 by 3, we need to shade 2 parts out of this 3 parts. After shading 2 parts, we have to divide this fraction by 2. So, I am folding this paper into 2 lengthwise. Can you see why are we making it into 2? We are making it into 2 because the divisor is 2. I am drawing this line. When we divide these two shaded parts by 2, we get half of it. That means these two parts. So 2 by 3 divided by 2, we get 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 by 6 is our answer. 2 by 6 we can also write as 1 by 3. You remember equivalent fractions, right? Now let's try to divide 3 by 4 by 3. So here I have folded this paper into 4 equal parts and shaded 3 parts. Now let's see how to divide this 3 by 4 by 3. For that, let's try to fold this paper into 3 equal parts lengthwise. Let me ask you one question. Why are we making it into 3 equal parts? We are making it into 3 equal parts because the divisor is 3. Now I have divided it into 3 parts. Let's draw these lines. 1, 2. Yes, now we have 3 equal parts. When we divide these 3 parts into 3 equal parts, we get these 3 parts. Let's shade these 3 parts. So, 3 by 4 divided by 3 is equal to 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 3 by 12. This 3 by 12 we can also write as, yes, 1 by 4. Now let's see how to divide 1 by 8 by 4. Here I have marked one part out of these 8 parts. Let's make this paper into 4 equal parts lengthwise because the divisor is 4. Make it into half and again half. After folding this into 4, we can draw lines. Now this shaded portion, we have made it into 4. So this one part is what we are going to get. So we'll shade that. Now what is the fraction of this portion where we shaded twice? 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fours are 32. So the fraction is 1 by 32. So our answer is 1 by 8 divided by 4 is 1 by 32. Hope you all enjoyed the activity and understood how to divide a proper fraction by a whole number. See you soon. Bye bye.